In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in your Canva designs. This is a quick but really powerful skill that makes your projects and presentations smoother to navigate. Let's dive right in. First, open your Canva project. Once it's loaded, select the text you want to turn into a link. This could be a heading, a line of text, or even a call to action inside your design. When you click it, the text box will be highlighted. Now look toward the top right corner of Canva's editor. You'll see a row of icons, including one with 3 dots. This is the More Options menu. Click it. From the menu that appears, look for the chain link icon labeled Link. Click that, and a linking menu will open. Normally, you could use this to link to an external website, but today we're focusing on linking pages inside the same Canva project. In the linking menu, choose the option to link to a page. You'll see a list of all the pages in your design. Select the one you want your text to jump to. Once you've picked the page, click Done. Now your hyperlink is active. To double check, just click on the text again and test it. It should take you straight to the page you selected. And that's it. You've successfully linked pages inside your Canva design. This makes your project more interactive, easier to navigate, and a lot more professional. Thanks for watching and happy designing.